Welcome to Wacky Wednesdays, where everyone has a chance to show off their car mods. And here's this week's winner.
Hello, I'm Dave Harris. What you're looking at is my 1964 Pontiac GTO. You know, they expected only sell 5,000 of these, but wound up selling 32,450 GTOs. Considered widely to be the first true muscle car, when John DeLorean and the guys at Pontiac stuffed that large engine into the mid-size Tempest body and called it the GTO option. I've had this car 10 years now. They made 18,422 hardtops, 7,384 post coupes, which is what this is, and 6,644 convertibles. 8,245 came with the factory tri-power configuration, and that's what this is. Factory tri-power, factory 4-speed car. Listed at 348 horsepower, 428 pound-feet of torque. Done a lot of things to it. Had it restored back to its original silver mist gray factory color there. Taking a look at these wheels, got deluxe wheel discs, which was what the car was born with, but I got these later reconditioned. Redline radial tires. I used to drive on bi-splies, but prefer the radials. And there you have the original 389 tri-power engine. Had it rebuilt, got the Rochester carburetors there. Essentially stock is what you see. Original style battery. Did switch into a dual master brake cylinder. What I'll do is start it up. Very bare bones car. Manual steering, manual brakes, no air conditioning. A mid-sized body, but people look at it today and think it's a big car. That exhaust now. Stock style exhaust. I've always enjoyed this car. And there you have it, the 1964 Pontiac GTO Post Coupe. Thanks for watching. I'm Dave Harris.
Well, that was this week's video, and to have your car mod shown on my channel here, check this out. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.